G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, coming to you today from Paddington, and we are involved in our termite protection program here, and today we are using Termidor HE, high efficiency. Why we're using Termidor HE? Because we've actually got some really nice concrete that we wanted to ensure that we had minimal drill holes. So you can see the spacings there of up to 400 mil. But the main reason why we're doing this is because the new owner, during the building and pest inspection process, couldn't find any termite protection installed to the steel post. There was no paperwork whatsoever, so they negotiated to do a new termite barrier. Now, what's the most important thing out about this video is maintain your paperwork. If you have any paperwork concerning termite barriers or termite treatments, keep those, even if they're expired, because they may come important when you want to prove that you have done a termite treatment. The other thing is even though you might have a Form 21 here in Queensland which says that your house is complete, if you don't have paperwork to prove that you have termite protection to your penetrations, you run the risk of having to put new treatments in. So that's what's happened here. So tip for the day, use the best product. Tip for the day, use the best, such as us. Tip for the day, maintain and keep all your paperwork when it comes to your house, particularly when it comes to termite treatments. Tight lines, stiff rods, haven't used that one in a while. Talk soon.